Hey, welcome back to Z's Toy Run. Today we're gonna go ahead and finish up that there, that wheel well. All right, here we go. Arguably, it's probably been 3 weeks since we put anything out. Stupid little shorts, but sorry, I haven't had time. Busy life. We're working. This is a side gig. Makes no money. We're doing it for fun. All right. I'm going to move this slowly because I'm tired of getting yelled at. Okay. So, we're going to go over this real quick, and then we're going to show you something we bought for this. All right. We went ahead and, yep, that's all in. We've seen that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come in here, find a wire wheel. Wire wheel all this crap out of here so we can get a piece of metal in and up. We're going to use a quarter skin off a race car. Quarter skins off race cars. Yeah, they're not any good for realistically what we need. That front fender's roached. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cut all that crap out. And we're gonna place that on the other side over there. And don't worry about this side. We're getting there. You know, this is sponsored and paid by my pocket. So, we'll get there. Because we need that floor pan. We're going to get that floor pan. And we'll figure that out. And hopefully we don't spring any more issues. What we did happen to score was this Ford 9-inch housing. We got to measure it. It should be all right. Already been had some welding done to it. There's no drain plug. Old race car stuff here. So we'll have to figure that out. Actually, I think it's in the some have them on the case, some have them in the third member. So we'll get this cleaned up, but it should fit in the back of this. If it doesn't, then we'll lock the ears off, we'll straighten this up and put it in, but we're gonna get rid of the leaf spring perches and the shock mount because we have a 4-link for it. I think we're just gonna go ahead and throw it in. I mean, we're already this far into the weeds. This thing ain't gonna be done for at least a year. All depends on how much time I get, which time is very expensive to have right now, we'll say. All right, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna grab the grinder. I'm gonna cut that off. We'll bring you over. at this here ratty piece of junk. Let me figure out where to put you at so you can see here. Oh man. I'm gonna try to do this without shake cam. We got this. It's gonna sit yep, up in here like so. All right, you're making a liar out of me now. Come on, there we go. Stupid light. Obviously, we're sticking out. We're gonna push that in. That's gonna go up in, and we'll nick it off about right here. So we have this piece. We're gonna hit that, that, and then we'll get a piece to go over here. We're gonna continue this lip into it. Done and done. And this wheel well is done. And all this needs addressed later. But here we go. Here's the moral of the story. It's fixed. Okay, so we got some work to do there. No big deal. It's in. If you remember, there was a hole there. There's not anymore. And now we have all that in. And in here, well, it's in. Is it pretty? Absolutely not. It's tack welded in the whole way around. We're gonna do some edge work later here. You see the edge there? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do some of that, and then like down in here. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do that some other time though. I gotta get, I'm gonna go in the house and I'm gonna eat. So, oh shoot, all my lights are gonna die because I leave them on like, but, and it's going, okay? It's going. It's fine. I don't know if we're gonna leave this off here and just do a short little video. I mean, that's just kind of stupid. Anyways, if you could, maybe like, subscribe, you know, share it to, you want to show somebody how not to do body work, that would be, that'd be stellar. We're moving up in life, so we're trying here. And as always, keep it to the floorboards, and we'll catch you on the flip side.